What are agents? Let's start with LLMs. Claude, ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini are interfaces to LLMs or large language models. These models are able to take text input, do some processing and reasoning, and return some output. You interface with these models via a conversation. Over time, these models became pretty good at writing code. What if you ask the model to create an application? The model can write the code of the app, then return it back to you to run. You compile and execute the code, then you can return the code back to the model and include instructions on how to change or improve the code. This process works like autocomplete. The human is still doing the work, and the AI model is just providing suggestions or recommendations for the human to execute. What if we added something in the middle that could check whether the model's instructions are something it can handle? If they are, there's no need to ask the user to do anything at that point. The middle handler can do the work, send the result back to the model, and repeat until an outcome is set up for the user. Introducing the harness. Now, what if I create an application that wraps the model, and when you say, create an application, and the model returns the code, the wrapper application, or harness compiles and runs the code and returns the result to you. Then you can evaluate the result without having to compile and run the code. Provide instructions and repeat until you have something you are happy with. This harness takes the output of the model, and if it is output it can understand like code, it compiles and executes and returns a result. Let's go to the next step. What if we give the model an instruction manual of types of output it can command before we send the main instructions? For example, we have a leaky pipe. If we tell the AI model we have a leaky pipe, please fix. It will return, I can't fix the leak, but I can tell you how. Now, what if we give the AI model a wrench and some pliers and other tools a plumber might have? Then the AI model could return the instructions to fix the leaky pipe saying, use the wrench for this and the pliers for that. Now let's say our harness also knew how to call these tools or operate these tools, then the harness can instruct these tools to do the commands of the AI model. Then return the result to the model. The model can observe and adjust the instructions of the tools until the observations are successful. Then the AI model returns the outcome, and the harness passes this outcome to the user. Let's take this example. Harness communicates to the model. Here are your tools, wrench, pliers. Then user communicates to the model. Fix leaky pipe. Agent harness loops between AI model, harness, and tools until outcome is met. Leak is fixed. AI model generates output, and the agent harness returns output to the user. Leaky pipe is resolved. The middleman or agent acts as a conduit between the AI model, the tools, and the user. The user can give an instruction that may require both understanding and action. The result of the outcome is fed back to the user once the harness, the model, and the tools coordinate an outcome. So when I say an agent is an LLM with instructions and tools, it is combining a model with a harness and tools. This transformed the AI model from a consumer to a producer. To summarize, what is an agent? An agent uses an AI LLM with a wrapper application called a harness that connects the LLM into a loop with tools. You can provide proactive instructions, and the agent, combined with the AI model, works together to process those instructions and return an outcome that produces some effect. Agents can schedule meetings on your calendar, write draft emails, review and modify invoices, research and update lead information for CRMs, create and deploy applications. Check out Scout Academy and get started learning agents. Thank you.